Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will explain list comprehension in the most clear and concise way possible. Let's get started. List comprehension is one of the most useful tools for a Python programmer. It is a one-line for loop that can make your code simpler and easier to read. The syntax is simple. We initialize a list and put a for loop into it like this. But let's be honest, a single loop isn't that interesting. So, we can add a condition to it. This is extremely useful if you need to do a single check on a list of data, like finding even numbers. What could possibly beat that? Doing the same thing with dictionaries. We can do basic list comprehension, where we give it 2 values instead of 1, and we have a dictionary. Even better than that, we can still use conditions. This gives us the power to parse data easily and retain our dictionary format. List comprehension is just the best feature in all of Python. It has simple syntax, and you can do almost anything with it. If you have watched until now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like the video for more content.